Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liza Soberano, nagpahayag ng suporta para sa BINI. Siya ay lubos na natuwa at nagagalak sa takbo ng karera ngayon ng BINI. Ayon kay Liza Soberano, BINI worked so hard to get where they are now. And I'm happy to see representations. Like my little sister, she's a huge K-pop fan. But now, she's not just watching K-pop. She's watching BINI, and it's her people, so it's something to be proud about. And how excited Liza Soberano to see BINI's global success. She expresses how happy Liza Soberano to see BINI getting international recognition. Ganito ang dapat mindset ng lahat ng Pinoy. Masaya tayo sa kapwa natin kung ano man ang narating nila. Iangat natin sila, hindi i-down.
Yeah.